Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvi and for today's video, we are talking again about Rare Beauty, and this time I have the Stay Vulnerable blush which is in the shade Nearly Rose, and this is how it looks. As you can see, it looks pretty bright and out there. So I got this from a international makeup page which is available on Instagram. I will leave them down below. I will leave the ones from where I bought it, and there are a few other pages from where you can buy original, very original. This is not fake, not a fake product, Rare Beauty product. So yeah, you can buy it from there if you are intrigued. And I got this one for 2500 rupees. It is expensive, let me tell you that, but it was my 7-year blogging anniversary and I wanted to treat myself something. And I mean, I am a fan of Selena Gomez. I love Selena Gomez. She is my absolute favorite person. She's my inspiration. So I mean, I just always supported her. So I again have most of the Rare Beauty products, from the foundation, concealer. If you haven't seen the video, you can check it out where I've reviewed it in October. It was pretty brand new when it came out, and this time I have the Stay Vulnerable one. I did not buy the entire set. Let's be real, that's too expensive, but I bought this one. I have the one over here and I have my mirror over here. So I'm just going to apply. It comes like this. It has a mirror inside which looks so freaking cute. I mean, like literally the packaging of this is goals, like freaking adorable. I mean, yeah. So most of the pages sell this around the same price, like 2350, 2400. You also have to pay for shipping for the Instagram pages. So, you have to make sure that you are, like getting everything. You do get it like one within like 3 to 4 days, I would say. It depends on the shipping and the Instagram page. Like I know the international makeup page, she is from Mumbai, so like her products receive, like I receive her products within, I would say, 1 day or like 2 day max. But this I got from makeup underscore and you. So she's from Delhi, so I got it, I would say, in 3 or 4 days. So yeah, it does take time, but definitely worth it. Like it's very better than ordering it from USA. Then it will take 15 days to come over here, then it will take shippings, all of that. It just takes a lot of time and customs, and you have all of the hassle. But with these Instagram pages, you do not have to worry about shipping and customs because everything is included in this. So yeah, that is how I would wrap it all up for the international process, and how you should buy it, how you should not buy it, how I bought it, and which ones do I prefer. So let's get started with the application of this. Now this is a very cream product. Let me just swatch this. I will just do this, and as you can see over here, this is how it looks. I am just going to swatch it right here. It looks very, like, it is a very creamy texture. It of course is a cream blush, but yeah, it looks very cute. It's subtle and sheer, which is what I love about Rare Beauty blushes. So I have this one in the shade Joy, and this is orange. That's why I got Rose over here, because like both of the blushes, like both the colors available, whichever I'm feeling, I'm in the mood of, I will wear that one. So I'm just going to use a brush like this, and I just dip it in to this like this. A little bit of product is coming over here, as you can see, and now I'm just going to apply it. Of course you can use whichever mirror you want, like this. Now you have to blend it in. Remember, a little goes a long way, as you have already seen my other Rare Beauty video. That blush, Soft Pinch one, is so freaking pigmented, I kid you not. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I just blend it in like this, very slightly. Sometimes I feel like the mirror is cute, but sometimes I need to see my entire face to see if I have balanced out the blush or no. So yeah, so that time this mirror comes in handy. Look at that, it blended out beautifully. It looks like your skin. It is very skin like. I have applied the Fit Me foundation underneath this, and it hasn't really done anything or like moved the foundation. It just blended it in seamlessly with the foundation, which is so good. Now I'm going to be taking a beauty blender, dip it in the blush just a little bit, and I'm just going to do this. I love the finish of beauty blenders. Honestly, it just looks flawless, so I'm just using it. This is the beauty blender from Bobbi Brown, which I got when I purchased their foundation. If you want, you can just apply it over here as well. But yeah, I mean, this is like a perfect no makeup look. You can skip the eyeshadow, just apply lipstick, this blush, a medium coverage foundation, and like literally you are good to go. And with that, I have applied the amazing Stay Vulnerable Merely Rose blush. I love this blush. I mean, I fell in love with it. I just love Rare Beauty products a lot. The formula, the pigmentation, everything is just flawless, skin-like, stays true to the brand and their motive. And again, like Selena did an amazing job. Now coming to the price point and everything which I want to talk about, 2,500 for a blush is a lot. I am not going to lie, but I mean, I love Selena. I like support her by buying her products. Obviously, I do not buy every single thing, but like whatever suits my vibe, whatever I feel like, okay, I'm gonna like this, I do buy it. So it's completely on you and the preferences. If you are a blush person and if you want to invest in a good blush, definitely go ahead and check this one out. I know it is expensive, but I would say save up if you want to gift yourself something, you know, like how I gifted myself this blush. You can definitely treat yourself by saving up and ordering, but definitely I would say it is worth it. Like again, like this is like a small blush, but I've applied so much of it and it's still there. Like, you know, it's just one of those small luxurious things which we all need, and this is one of mine for me, definitely, for sure. So yeah, I mean, I really love it. You can see the finish on me as of now. I will come a bit closer so that you can see on both the sides. I freaking love it. It's just beautiful. No thoughts and no complaints about it. So yeah, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.